So I did a lot of things wrong here. It's my second lap, so I should have been going slower trying to learn the track, particularly on a blind exit like this. I got into power a little bit too early, and that caused me to start to run wide. Instead of backing off the power, I tried to hold it, and that sent the car into an oversteer situation. I then had to... So I broke a golden rule: only accelerate when you're unwinding steering lock. Now if you want to know how to do an oversteer recovery or a few more car control things, I do videos on that. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and thanks for watching.